What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Theo with All Nations Racing Team. We are out here in Champign, Illinois, and we're going to do a room review. I haven't seen our room yet. I just got the keys. Oh, we got to go this way around. There's the truck. So, I'll lock that up here in a second. So, let me put my bag down. Literally, there's my bag. The derby just got done. We had truck class last heat, was the best heat of the night. So let's walk up the stairs and see what we got. Okay. We're in room 207. Top of the stairs, first one on the left. Right here. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Okay, so this ain't too bad. I'll put my suitcase right here for now. I got Subway for lunch. So let's see what we got. Single bed, one king. Put my wallet up here. Alright, let's see. Get out of here. Okay. Bathroom. Yeah, someone left the light on. Okay. Mirror. Oh, nice. What is this? Oh, that changes. Is that just like a random shuffle? Does it change different colors? Huh. Oh, you can turn it off. Fancy. Alright. Alright, so this is the room. Nothing fancy. What do we got over here? Some plugins, looks like. Okay, I see this. I see you, days in. So, yeah, not a bad little room. It's just me, so I don't need nothing fancy. So, but I'm gonna unpack and I'll let you guys know how the bed's comfortable. Bed looks clean. Don't see nothing major on it. So no stains or nothing, which is good. I am going to close the curtain because the lights are on out there. So, but floors looks good. Okay. Alright. So, alright, folks. There you guys have it. Days in Champign, Illinois. Room 207. We'll see you guys next time.